Hello everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. I'm feeling so much better and yeah, it's really nice to see the end of that bloody bug. But we have a Temu package here today and it is a very tiny weeny one, and I know Maisie's Madhouse likes the short snack size ones, so this one's for you, Maisie. So yeah, so what we're going to do is I'm going to get my scissors, if I can get them out of here, because I need to get some scissors, and we'll get this into here. So really good, and I really fell in love with this one. This one is a parrot, and if you've ever watched the film Rio and Rio 2, that lovely animated film about a blue macaw parrot, then you'll know why I wanted this. This one's like multicoloured though, but it's 20x20, and I believe it was a pre-order as well. So as you can see, oh, looky. Oh yes, I can already tell, not even opening it, that this is going to be a good one. Okay, so we've got just a standard painting here. We've got nothing else in the shipment, and the trick of it is, guys, when you see that £10 lock, when it says £10 minimum, wait a few days, that lock will come off, and then you can order just one thing. Because I don't know about you guys, but I'm not going to keep paying £10 every time. So yeah, so if you want to only get the one thing, just wait a couple of days. It works all the time. But in here we have, look at this. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, isn't that funky? Wow. And it's really clear print. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Yeah, this is superb. I mean, as I said, you never really know what it's going to turn out like until you get the picture. And to see this now, you know, in real life, if you like, because when you order it's on an image, you can't really tell what it's going to look like until you get it. And yeah, I'm absolutely happy with this. I think I paid like $2.20 for this. And yeah, this is giving me a Rio vibe. 15 colours here on the Shemetic. It's a ZQ317. What I love about this is it's just been splattered with all this colour. It's beautiful. He's sitting on this branch here. It's got this lovely red and blue on and white classic colours of your macaw parrots that you sometimes get at Colchester Zoo. You sometimes get the red ones or the blue ones. This is an absolute beautiful piece, and the way he's just spreading his wings there, and you've got like all these different paint splats going around. This is a superb painting, and I absolutely love it. This is beautiful. So let's take a look at the drills, the boat first even. And in here we have, I actually have another Temu coming tomorrow, funny enough. And that one's got all sorts in, so I can't wait to show you that one. Some other things with diamond paintings and even something to do with hair cutting, but you'll have to find out next time. This is a standard boat kit, as you can see, and then we have the drills. So really lovely indeed. I'm absolutely happy with this. And can I just say, this ring came from Temu, and apparently it is a temperature ring. So somewhere around here, yeah, it sees the Celsius. I found that it don't actually work, but hey, oh well. It doesn't actually bring up the temperature, but as you can see, it's got like 33 there. Don't know if you can see that. It's got 33, something like that. See if I can get that off. But you can see it's got numbers of some sort on there, but it doesn't work. But I just use them as like a dress ring. But oh my god, like look at this. This is so gorge. So we have our green. God, that's a very small pack of drills. We got a red. We got a purple. We've got a green, and we've got a mustardy sort of banana colour there, and we've got a blue and a purple and a blue and a dark blue and a blue. So that, my friends, absolutely gorgeous. Really love this. So I'm so happy with my purchase, and I just had to have it. It was a pre-order, and I was like, I've got to have that now before it goes out of stock. And it's even worse when you see it going almost sold out and you're like, quick, get your wallet, pay now before it goes out of stock. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, we'd really appreciate you subscribing to the channel and coming on to our family here at Diamond Paints with Mike. Also tap the notification bell. That'll give you a notification as and when a video pops up on the channel, and you won't miss a video. And As always, if you like what you see, then the link for this is in the description with Temu. They are selling pretty damn fast on this, and I can't believe, I just can't wait to get it done. It's really, really pretty, and yeah, cannot wait. Really, really happy with this. Get shopping with Temu today. Have a lovely day. Take care, and we'll see you soon for another Temu unboxing. Bye.